go with you through all the packing stuff and what's in there. So make it open. Everything's very good packed. Very nice quality. Wing bag. Nothing really special about that. It's very good quality. You can feel that immediately. So yeah. Some great in design. Looking very clean, nothing damaged. So that's one part of the wing. Yeah. Now we'll take the rest of it out. Next to that there's a vertical stab and all the stickers. So if you take the stickers out, there's the vertical stab. This is also very nice quality, very big control surface. Also really good. And after that, so here is the cowl. It's also really nice that they put this in, so the cowl doesn't break inside of the box. Just a full fiberglass, very nice finish cowl. Absolute amazing painting, super nice. This is right itself. Beautiful view. And I will take that. Just amazed by the quality of this. Really nice fitting canopy. If you look inside, really nice. Also have the quick locks in there. Super. Overall quality is extremely good. Extremely good. Yeah, now the last. Really nice by quality and how it looks. Okay. Here we got the rest of the parts. The little pieces for the gear. Super clean finish always. All the other accessories from wheels to control horns to the side plates. And we also got the really nice red spinner. Really a big fan of that. For the cowling, this is the cooling baffle. I don't exactly. Oh, these are the wheel pans. Which you want to take at that. Really nice wheel pans. The side force generators, real big plates. Will be also slapped on. Then the rest is all the control horns, I think. Those are these. And the landing gear. That's everything, and I will now put it all together.
Was I a dream? Was I escape? Or was I the cell? Does she wait for me to join her? under the water spell. Girl with the cat eyes, that's what she said. Only 5 words in the end. Girl with the cat.
My first impressions of the plane is that it's really nice quality. Everything comes together very easily. Yeah, so now it's building time and let's get it into the air.